Hi, I am Makesh Shivashankar. Welcome to our channel Sameesh Financials. In the previous video, we discussed about financial freedom, and in that video, we briefly explained about passive income. Today's video, I'm going to explain about passive income using a short story. This story is originally from a book called Four Quadrant, written by Robert Kiyosaki. Let's move on to the story. Long ago, there was a village where there is scarcity of water. The villagers asked to fetch water from a pond which is quite far from the village. It was a very difficult situation for them. So they decided to appoint somebody to fetch water from this pond on a daily basis. Two young gentlemen came forward for this. The villagers has awarded this job to this gentleman. Both of them are very happy because they were able to make a living out of this job. Daily morning, they will go and fetch water and bring it to the village. After a few days, they realize that the income from this job is barely meeting their requirements. So both of them thought how to improve their income. The first person, who is little well built, he decided to carry a lot of water by using bigger buckets and fetching water more often. He worked harder and used a bigger bucket to fetch more water, and he started earning more. The second person was not able to carry that much water because he is not that well built like the first person. So he thought of another idea. He decided to build a pipeline from the pond to the village so that he don't have to carry water daily. He presented this idea before his friend, but he didn't agree to this because it will take a lot of time to build a pipeline from the pond to the village, and they may not get any income during that period. The first person didn't believe in that kind of a idea. He wanted to live his life today. He wanted to earn more today and he wanted to spend money today. So he decided to carry more water using his earlier idea of carrying water in a bigger bucket, and he was fetching more water and he is enjoying his life on a day-to-day basis. But the second person started constructing this pipeline on a daily basis, and slowly and steady he constructed this pipeline from the pond to the village. Days and months and years passed by. The first person, who was carrying a lot of water using his bigger buckets, were not able to carry that much water now because the hard work has taken a toll on his health. But the second person continued working slowly and steadily to build this pipeline. So the day has arrived when the pipeline construction is over. By that time, the first person was completely tired and he was not able to carry much water. His income started reducing. But the second person has constructed this pipeline, and using this pipeline, he can supply water to the village 24/7 without any effort. He has spent a lot of energy behind it for the last few years, and today he is going to reap the benefit. Dear friends, think about this story. The second person who has built this pipeline from the pond to the village, he was constructing a passive income source. He spent a little longer time in working this pipeline, so he didn't enjoy that much in the initial stages like the first person. But now, so in the later stage, he don't have to do much work. This passive income will take care of his income and he can enjoy his life. Dear friends, please think about these two people. The first person believed in enjoying his life today, and the second person decided to create an income by which he can enjoy his life longer. Which is the option that you want to choose? Definitely, the second option is better. For that, you have to create a passive income source, as we explained in our previous video. Now, as we discussed earlier, the easiest way to create this passive income is by creating a corpus which will generate income on a regular basis. So for that, you may have to save a little bit on a regular basis during your earnings period. Now, the question comes, how much I should save and how much I can spend? Can I spend nothing and save everything that I earn? No, that is not the right idea. you should enjoy your life also. So there should be a balance between how much you earn and how much you spend, how much you save. How to decide on that? That is a bigger question. We'll discuss about that in our next video. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and please give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. Thank you, and see you in our next video.